Hi Servus, welcome. This is Claudia speaking, and I would like to share a project that I'm doing for the StencilGirl Talk blog. The theme this month is Dress It or Wear It, and you know me, I love to make bracelets and bangles, and I decided to create another wearable piece of mixed media art using some Bubbalux craft board, which I shaped using my heat tool and a dome for jewelers. You can simply heat the Bubbalux strip and then hold it in shape until it cools down, which is happening in seconds. So you go bit by bit until you have the curve you want, and make sure it goes across your wrist. And then I cut off the excess and also did some small edges with the scissors. And I'm going to dress this Bubbalux with stenciled strips of fabric. And to paint the fabric, I will use the fabric painting medium from DecoArt and mix it with the DecoArt Vintage Effect wash paints, because I love the vintage colors they have. And I will try to add some of these using wire to the strips before I glue these in place. So I'm kind of dressing this to wear it on my arm. And I will have you watch while I do the project. I've picked some of the smallest stencils from the StencilGirl range, and maybe I will even try some with a very fine detail, but it's honestly most about creating layers and getting random results by layering the paints, and I hope that these will be as transparent so I can have color mixes as well. I will turn off the sound now so I can speed up the video and you can watch how I build my bangle. this is how the finished bangle looks, and I recommend you also use a lot of the matte decoupage on top to seal any edges and to really keep anything from fraying or from coming off again. The good thing with the matte decoupage is that it dries matte. You shouldn't apply it on the glitter areas though, but you can even use pens on it. I've used a normal cloths marker, which you normally use to write names in your kids' dresses for school, but they've worked pretty well on the finished bangle, even though it really has lots of decoupage on top and underneath. Yeah, I think you can go in with the pen and repeat the patterns from the fixed on sea glass or whatever this is, but you don't have to. I did some mark making as well, some kisses and my lucky number 7, but you're free to leave it as it is on the inside because it really looks nice too. But I thought I should repeat the patterns so these are visually fused with the whole design. Yes, and it's really lightweight and it makes a lot of noise, so I think this is something to show off and to quickly create. And I hope you like it and create your own too. Thanks for watching. Bye.